Find features that differentiate it from other brands for KIKVOOL small portable ceiling fans for tents. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. High quality motor. The KIKVOOL outdoor camping fan features a high quality energy efficient brushless motor which have a unique patented design. With 4 wind speeds, low to fast, controlled via remote, or 3 wind speeds, low to fast, controlled via motor button, which can meet your mostly outdoor summer cooling requirements. The outdoor Gazebo fan comes with a 8000 mAh battery powers for 4 to 10 hours, which can meet most of your outdoor needs. Dimmable and timing function. You can press the button on the outdoor ceiling fan or remote to easily select your desired light color temperature, such as cool white, warm white and RGB color light. The fan light can be used for night light for mood light. It's a great outdoor camping fan for tent. The outdoor Canopy fan also has 4 modes for timing, 2, 4, 6, 8 hours, so that it will turn off, worry-free at night sleep. Strong wind and low noise. This battery-operated fan for camping comes with 4-speed winds to meet different needs and keep you cool at home or outdoor. The brushless motor and upgraded fan blades work efficiently with low noise, giving you a calm and peaceful experience. This battery-powered fan light is ideal for use in outdoor canopies, gazebo, patios, camping, porch, garden umbrellas, garages, RVs, greenhouses, and more. Lightweight and easy installation. The fan blade of the portable ceiling fan is detachable. Mini and lightweight, takes up very little space in backpack. Designed for various outdoor scenarios, the camping fan light is easy to install. The rechargeable camping fan comes with a carabiner, which can be directly hanging the Canopy fan to a fixed hook or a long pole. Additionally, the camping fan will not vibrate or shake while working, it's very stable. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.